4 DD21s on 4 AKs crossfires.
Wow. And you built this?
Me and 2 other guys.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
What's up?
Oh my gosh, Jacob Viral!
What's up, man?
What's up, brother? How you been, man?
Dan, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Wow. Hey, I like the money in the back.
Hey, thank you. It doesn't really float. We thought it would float. It doesn't float. It just sits there.
All right, man. Official info first. What's your name and what else in here? Go ahead.
Current, I got 2 6x9s. That's it.
2 6x9s.
Jensen amp.
Jensen amp. All right.
4 DD21s on 4 AKs crossfires.
Wow. And you built this?
Me and 2 other guys. And Hunter Martin designed it, and the crew at Audio Ace.
Okay.
We built this thing in 6 days last year, and it's
wow.
Great. So.
Do you know what it's metered in your tunings?
I won't meter it, and it'll play anything.
It'll play anything? Okay.
I refuse to meter it. I literally just don't want to know.
Yes, sir.
It's kind of been fun.
All right.
What's going on, man?
How you doing? How you doing, brother?
Oh yeah.
Is the back opens? I appreciate it, man.
Hit me up tomorrow. I'll give you the high notes.
All right, sounds good. Don't break it. Yeah. Have fun, yeah, man. What's up, man?
It's like this fucking cold on me, got me feeling
Thanks for the demo, Dan.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.